Alright, welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to look at how to install Ubuntu 18.04. I'll be doing it in a virtual machine here on VMware, but it'll be the same for any other virtual machines or installing it on hardware. So of course you can, if you're wanting to experiment with different flavors of Linux, can just try Ubuntu and it will just run off the boot drive without actually installing, but we'll go through the install process today. So for me, I'll choose English, install. Alright, keyboard layout, English US, continue. Obviously the easiest installation is to go to normal installation, unless you're wanting to run a server of some sort, then you might go minimal, so not as many resources are being utilized. And I like to update the machine manually, so I untick that option. So I go continue. Now, don't worry about this, but select the erase disk and install Ubuntu. Just press continue again. Alright, we're back. So now we just choose our time zone. Alright, so I'm the east coast of Australia, so we're on Sydney. Alright, now this is simply where you choose your user section. So for this instance, we'll just be calling our name ITTI. And we will just leave it as normal ITTI. And then it automatically goes from your name to the username and password. For this one, just example, obviously choose the secure one, but we'll just go 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's always the safer option to require your password to log in. Alright, so we'll let this install. This is the long section, and we'll come back when this is finished. Alright, we're back. The installation is complete, so what you'll have to do is press this restart button, unplug your boot drive, and then we'll go from there. So Ubuntu is now reloaded, so you just click on your username that you created, type in your password, hit enter or sign in. Now we have a working Ubuntu machine. So, a bit of Linux house starting. It is great to familiarize yourself with the terminal. So I'll open that up. Of course, if I minimize, we can read through all of what's new in Ubuntu. And then we can reopen the terminal again. So, in order to update your machine, type in sudo apt update. Type in your password. This is getting the update for us. This process is usually relatively quick. Alright, perfect, done. And now to install the update, we go sudo apt upgrade. Y to continue and then hit enter. Alright, we'll be back after this is done. Alright, and we are now done and we're up to date, so just press the enter key, type in your password, and now we can close the terminal. We have a fresh, up-to-date install of Ubuntu 18.04. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. We'll see you in the next one.